What if the most powerful computer you'll ever own isn't in your pocket or on your desk, but resting quietly on your face? That's the vision behind smart glasses. They promise to guide us, connect us, translate languages instantly, and even replace our phones entirely. It sounds like science fiction, but the race to make it real is happening right now. Apple, Samsung, Meta, three titans pouring billions into a battle to control not just the future of technology, but the future of vision itself. And here's the shocking part. They're not alone. Startups, hidden labs, even mysterious prototypes are pushing the limits faster than most people realize. So where exactly are we today? Who's ahead? Who's stumbling? And what might the next decade look like when our world is filtered through a pair of lenses? Let's dive in. Apple is famous for one thing: patience. They rarely rush into markets. Instead, they wait, study the mistakes of others, and then release a product so polished, so desirable, that people line up overnight to buy it. That's what makes Apple's approach to smart glasses so fascinating. On the surface, Apple isn't even in the game yet. But if you look closely, you'll see the pieces falling into place. Their Vision Pro headset, a bulky, expensive, mixed reality device, isn't the end goal. It's a prototype disguised as a product. Apple is learning how people interact with augmented reality, what kind of apps and features actually matter, and how to shrink this massive technology into something as thin as designer frames. Leaked reports suggest Apple's first true AR glasses could arrive sometime between 2030 and 2035. That feels far away, but Apple's long-term strategy is clear. They want to release glasses that are not just powerful, but invisible. Glasses that look so sleek, you'd never guess they hold more computing power than the first iPhone, the first Mac, and maybe even your current laptop combined. Think about the emotional impact. Imagine walking through Paris, looking at the Eiffel Tower, and instead of pulling out your phone for translations, the glasses whisper into your ear, constructed in 1889, height 330 meters. Or you're on a video call with a loved one, and their face doesn't just appear on a screen, it hovers in the air, as if they're standing right in front of you. Apple's vision isn't just to add information to your world, it's to erase the barriers between humans and technology altogether. That's powerful, and maybe a little scary. While Apple waits, Meta charges forward like a bull. Mark Zuckerberg has bet the future of his company on two words: the metaverse. And smart glasses are the front door. Forget logging into Facebook on your phone. Zuckerberg wants your entire life to pass through a digital layer controlled by Meta. They've already dipped their toes in with Ray-Ban stories, glasses that can record videos, play music, and take calls. They're not revolutionary, but they're proof that Meta is trying to normalize the idea of wearing tech on your face. But behind the scenes, something much bigger is brewing. Meta's secret project, codenamed Orion, is their attempt at true AR glasses. Insiders describe prototypes that can project holograms into your world, letting you talk to a friend as if they're standing across the table from you, even when they're thousands of miles away. Here's the emotional core of Meta's vision. Zuckerberg wants to make digital connection feel real. Not pixels on a screen, not texts or likes, real presence. That's exciting, but it comes with massive risks. Meta has a history of privacy scandals. If their glasses become mainstream, Meta won't just track what you type or click. They could literally track everything you see, everything you hear, every moment of your life. This is where the dream turns into a dilemma. Do we trust Meta with that level of power? Or will their ambition to connect us actually strip away our freedom? Still, one thing is certain. Zuckerberg's gamble means Meta could be the first to put functional, everyday smart glasses into your hand or on your face. And then there's Samsung. They're not shouting about smart glasses the way Meta is. They're not hyping rumors like Apple. But don't underestimate them. Samsung is the company behind some of the most advanced displays and chips in the world. They already build the guts of countless other devices, including Apple's. Leaked patents show Samsung experimenting with lightweight glasses that project holograms directly into your space. Some concepts even show foldable displays for AR lenses, building on the same flexible tech they pioneered in their foldable smartphones. Here's Samsung's secret weapon: ecosystem. Imagine Samsung smart glasses seamlessly connecting with your Galaxy phone, Galaxy Watch, earbuds, even your refrigerator and car. Walk into your kitchen and your glasses remind you that you're out of milk because your fridge told them. Step into your car and glowing arrows appear on your windshield, guiding you turn by turn. This is Samsung's advantage. While Apple may dominate design and Meta dreams about the metaverse, Samsung could make glasses the center of everyday life. And let's not forget, Samsung loves to move fast. They released foldable phones years before anyone thought it was possible. If anyone is going to surprise us with an early, functional, stylish pair of smart glasses, it might just be Samsung. But here's where it gets really exciting. The future might not belong to the tech giants at all. Smaller players are already pushing boundaries. Take Nreal, now rebranded as X-Real. Their AR glasses are already available in parts of Asia and Europe. They're far from perfect, but they're proof that everyday AR isn't decades away. It's already here. Then there's Magic Leap. Once hyped as the company that would revolutionize reality, their first headset fell flat. But behind the scenes, they've continued refining the technology, focusing on enterprise markets like medicine and engineering. Don't count them out. And Vuzix, a scrappy American company, has been building smart glasses for years, targeting businesses like warehouses, airlines, and healthcare. They don't get headlines, but their tech is solid, and they're quietly carving out a niche. And here's the wild card. Mojo Vision. This startup isn't building glasses at all. They're working on AR contact lenses, tiny displays embedded directly into your eyes. It sounds like pure sci-fi, but they've already shown working prototypes. Imagine a future where there's no frame, no device, just your natural vision, upgraded. That's the kind of disruptive leap that could blindside Apple, Samsung, and Meta entirely. So where are we right now? Apple is learning, refining, preparing for a perfect launch. Meta is betting everything, racing ahead despite the risks. Samsung is quietly building the ecosystem that could make glasses indispensable. And startups are proving that the future isn't years away. It's already knocking on our door. This isn't just a race to sell another gadget. It's a race to define the next era of computing. Whoever wins won't just make billions. They'll control the very lens through which we see reality. And here's the emotional punch. This isn't about choosing between brands. It's about choosing who gets to shape your reality. Do you trust Apple's polished perfection, Meta's risky ambition, Samsung's integrated world, or an underdog's daring innovation? Because make no mistake, the winner of this race won't just own the market. They might own our vision itself. So now I'll ask you, who do you think will win the race? Apple, Samsung, Meta, or someone we haven't even heard of yet? Drop your prediction in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe, because this race is moving faster than anyone expects. And the next big breakthrough could happen tomorrow.